Hi everyone, it's Yana.
Last time I made the shell design, the one in the middle. I'll link that video in the description box below. Check it out once you're done with this one. Today I'm going to make the design with a star, which is on the right side. I participated in a nail art challenge made by nail artists CROC and OPI Russia. This video is not a tutorial. If you wish to watch a tutorial, please go ahead and check out the link in the description box for nail artist CROC's Instagram. The tutorials are still on their IGTV and hopefully they will be there for good. What I realized participating in this challenge is that beautiful art is created by the combination of multiple close colors, by knowing the scheme of that something that you're about to draw, by placing light and shadow accents the right place, and by drawing delicate thin lines. I never knew how to draw. When I was a kid, I used to ask my parents to bring me to the art school, but for one reason or another, it never happened. As a kid, I enjoyed drawing, but I never liked the finished result. It used to turn out as a scribble, so disappointing. Once I decided to start doing nails, I also tried some nail art. I can tell you for sure it was terrible. It looked like a 2-year-old tried drawing with his left heel. I'll see if I can find pictures of my trials and add them at the end of this video. But I knew practice makes perfect. The more you try hard, the better it will be turning out. I used to be coming back home after work tired and was trying to perform some nail art. It seemed so easy and beautiful in my mind, but on the practice tips it looked ugly. Still, I was passionate and enthusiastic. Then I bought an online course on filigree nail art, and my drawings improved drastically. Since then, I didn't do anything but practice times to times, and now I can do this beauty. Yes, it's not that I'm the one who made up these amazing designs, but the fact I can repeat something like the original art makes me so proud of myself. What I wanted to say is don't give up, study, learn, keep trying, and practice will make it perfect. I still have lots of room to improve, and I'm happy about that because it's a great journey. Now, I would highly appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel so we could do this journey together. It would also help more people to join us. Learning drawing nail art is a process. We weren't born walking, we weren't born speaking. We couldn't read and write right away. But we dedicated time to learn, and now it seems so easy, so natural. I think a human can achieve whatever their goal is, if they dedicate time to practice and try their best to achieve what's wanted. This star is not supposed to be fully inlaid, but I guess I didn't pay enough attention and mixed up. But that's okay, I still like it a lot. That's it for now. See you next time!